What's going on, YouTube family? Welcome back to the Informative Living channel. If you are new here and this content provides value to you, subscribe to the channel and click that little bell notification below to know when new videos are uploaded. In this video, we are going to take a look at top 5 best U.S. cities for jobs in 2021. Let's get started. Number 5. Seattle, Washington. Seattle has been known as one of the country's best business markets, and while Seattle could be a bit on the costly side, a strong job market will be sustained in 2021. One of the best cities for IT jobs is Seattle, Washington. The information, communications, and technology sector grew faster this year more than any other sector of Greater Seattle's innovation economy, according to the Seattle Tech Ecosystem Report, authored jointly by the Innovative Leadership Network and the University of Washington Bothell. In Seattle, Amazon and Microsoft continue to increase their presence, and major tech powerhouses such as Salesforce, Google, Apple, Facebook, and others are also expanding here. In reality, in the Seattle metro area, tech jobs are expected to grow by 11% over the next 5 years, and IT pros are taking notice. The Seattle-Tacoma area is one of the top locations considered for a move by people in the Bay Area, according to Redfin search results. A median annual wage of $125,318 is paid by technology employees in Seattle. Number 4. Salt Lake City, Utah. This city isn't just a beautiful destination for outdoor recreation lovers, it also provides ample opportunities to earn a good living. In one of the surveys, Salt Lake City is noted for having the second most job opportunities in the country. If you are young and have highly valued skills relating to industry, banking, technology, healthcare, or biomedical science, Salt Lake City could be the easiest city to find a career. Salt Lake City is one of the perfect places for IT. For years, Salt Lake's tech industry has been taking off. Though tech jobs are plentiful, the largest industry in Salt Lake City is healthcare, with Intermountain Healthcare ranked as the highest employer in the city. There are a lot of hot jobs in Salt Lake City, such as administrative assistant, accounting specialist, systems administrator, and many more. Number 3. Boise, Idaho. The rankings for jobs had 2 subcategories. First one is job market and second one is socioeconomics rankings. Boise is ranked very well for job market as well as for socioeconomic standing. Boise is one of the country's top 10 fastest growing areas, and the state of Idaho itself is a top destination for moving people in 2021. The city is home to Boise State University and numerous technical schools that help feed a young and qualified population, as well as major companies such as the Micron Technologies Fortune 500 Corporation and the Winco Foods and Albertsons grocery chains. Boise is worth considering whether you're a young professional entering the workforce or a business looking to open in an affordable locale. Number 2. Scottsdale, Arizona. Scottsdale has been one of the best cities for jobs for years, and 2021 is no exception. At the beginning of 2020, Scottsdale was home to more than 25,000 businesses. To add to that, most of Scottsdale's software companies are forecasted to grow their employment by 10% over the next 5 years. Arizona is recognized by all of us as a state with hot weather and the remarkable Grand Canyon, but Arizona is also gaining attention for its steaming hot job market nationally. The cities of Chandler, Tempe, and Scottsdale are currently among the top locations to find a career in 2021. But in particular, we are offering special points to Scottsdale as Wallet Hub has consistently rated high for jobs in the U.S. Number 1. South Burlington, Vermont. For professionals, South Burlington is strategically located between 2 powerhouses. The city has New York on its west side and Massachusetts on the south side. Yet South Burlington is preferred for career openings by a large number of professionals. This is probably because the town has an impressively low unemployment rate and was ranked on the Best Small Places for Businesses and Jobs list by Forbes. In general, South Burlington is a smaller city with a lower rate of hustle than bigger cities. With regards to living conditions, the city has a beautiful waterfront and neat parks, paths for cycling and walking. The city is also booming with some of the best educational districts of the state of Vermont. Another noteworthy aspect is that South Burlington is integrated with great healthcare systems that have been ranked as the best in the nation 4 times in a row. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to get updates on new videos. That's it from this video. We hope you liked it. The comment section is all yours.